Hi, AIMS is a combination of mobile application and a web application. AIMS mobile host application is an application that hosts mobile web services on the mobile phones that other people, your friends and family, can access using the web. This means your mobile gets a remote IP access using a simple web browser or the internet. To use AIMS, you need to sign in with the AIMS account that you can make from this website. Once you sign in to the AIMS mobile host application, you get a unique IP. Adjacent to the Home tab, you have a buddy list. In this buddy list, you can allow or disallow access to the buddies. You can allow access to buddies directly from your contact book. Currently, we allow access to our two buddies. It means these buddies can access my mobile web services using this web interface. I can also send messages to these buddies, or I can delete it. Deleting a buddy means I disallow the access to my mobile services. This means there is a complete control in the hands of the mobile application user to allow or disallow the access. In the same way, we have the messaging feature as well, in which you directly receive the messages sent by the buddies through using the web interface. You can also reply to them. Let me demonstrate it. I log into the web interface and I see this mobile user online on the left hand side. I go to the Presence section. This Presence section tells me that how I can invoke the Presence service on this mobile phone. There's a map and it uses mobile location API of Ericsson Labs. I simply select my buddy who is online and I say locate user. Locate user sends a web service request to this mobile phone and invokes its web service that tells the location. Once the location is invoked, buddy is plotted on the map, which you can zoom in to see a specific location. This works with the mobile location API. In the same way, we have another service on this mobile phone that's called cell tracking. The cell tracking application is used to see the movement of the buddy, and it's based on the cells that from which the mobile phone is receiving the signals. This is also based on the mobile location API, and this mapping is based on the web maps of Ericsson Labs. We select a user and simply say start tracking. We have also set the time interval of 10 seconds. It means after every 10 seconds we invoke a mobile web service on this mobile phone, and the user is started to plot. After every 10 seconds we get a new user location. Since currently I'm not moving, therefore we see all the locations on one place. On the move, locations are different. We can also stop tracking. Messaging is simple. We can select a buddy and we send a message to a buddy. We say hello buddy and we say send. When we say send, we receive this message directly on this mobile phone and the icon changes and we can see it in our inbox. When I click on inbox, I can view or reply. If I view the message, I see hello buddy that I sent from the web interface. I can also reply to this message by selecting reply. And I say hello, hi there, or maybe hola, just to save time. And I say send. It's Holland, sorry. So this Holland is received back on the web interface from mobile. So it's a free mobile to web and web to mobile messaging based on these mobile web services residing in this phone. On the other hand, we also have contacts. This is administrative service. The user log in with this mobile account can only access these services on this mobile phone. So I log out and then log in with the user account of this mobile phone. Now I'm using the same account on the web and the mobile. Now I go to the contacts and I say bring me all the contacts, for example, that starts with N. And I confirm the request. And now I see all the contacts that starts with N. I can edit the contact I can delete the contact, or I can add a new contact. In the same way, I can also get the server logs. Server logs are the activities that are running inside this mobile phone. For example, if I want to see the activities that who is accessing my web service, then I simply say fetch the recent logs, and this will give me the logs that are currently active in this mobile phone. Depending upon the network speed, it might take some time. So here we are. So here are the server logs of this mobile phone. I can completely monitor the activities of my mobile phone and the buddies. We also provide profile management features, delete account features, logout features, and also we have a feature that calls switch off service. When I say switch off, this invokes a mobile web service request on this mobile phone that switch off this mobile device, this mobile web server. For example, I say switch off, and I confirm my request, and this mobile phone should be switched off. So we have everything gone, and it says the user logged out successfully. AIMS is an innovative application that opens a lot of business opportunities for service developers that can bring new innovative services to this mobile environment. Thank you very much.